Right, got some goldfish food again. Like I say, I'm going to pretty much feed them this for now because they're only tiny and they love it. And I'll be getting some krill in that as well as a supplement. So I'll just stick this in at the top. That's all on there. They do like it. They start getting quite excited, darting around, taking bits out of the water. I'll just give it a bit of a clean because it got quite bad down that side. It was only a quick going over. I didn't bother with a siphon in the end. I got my big net. And I basically just scoop up all the gravel with the mess. There now. Gravel with the mess. Take it, put it in a bowl, and then almost like you're looking for gold. Fill it up with water, and all the bits float. And so swish gives the gravel a clean. Swish it about in some water in a bowl. Then pour the water away, and all the bits that you can see, all the bits that settle. It's only a quick going over because it was really bad. All the bits get poured away with the water, and do that 2 or 3 times. Almost like when you're washing the gravel at the start when you're doing the fish tank setup. Doesn't make such a good filming when they're not tearing a lump of meat apart, you know what I mean? But anyway, yeah, I found that a way of cleaning the gravel better than actually using some kind of siphon. Just scoop it all up, give the gravel a clean, pour away the bits that float, and then put the gravel back in. One of them's got a dodgy eye. I don't know if you've seen me other films. Little One Eye, I call him. There he is. That one. Little One Eye. He goes off on his own a lot. I don't know if that's because of what is the problem with him, or is he because he's a she. I don't know. But he does go off on his own. They're all together in a group, and he might be over here in this corner here. Yeah. Right. I'm going to sit here and watch him feed for a bit.